Lofi Dreamz, latest and greatest, and our guest tonight on the BRB podcast, tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time. We'll talk about that more in just a bit. But first, welcome back, Moneybags Rico. Let's start off with giving them a follow. Make sure that bell notification is lit at Lofi_Dreamz. Make sure that bell notification is lit. We're going to go over some of the NFTs, of course, and check them out. If you guys can, come over here, like and retweet everything if you're part of this community. And also tap in with us tonight at 7 p.m. Central Time. Like I said, there's going to be a $100 million BRB Cash giveaway. BRB Cash is also going to be listed on a pretty big centralized exchange coming within a few weeks. So this is something that you guys might hold on to, maybe let go, who knows, because it's not financial advice, but definitely something to keep in mind. Let's go over some of the art so you guys know exactly what to expect. What we have right here, we got Return to the Center. So sometimes you have to remind yourself of what it is that got you started, and that is facts right there. I mean, everybody has to reflect every once in a while and definitely see why they are doing what they are doing. You know, find the passion of what got you started in the things that you're doing at the present time. So this is the art that you guys can expect. If you guys see something that you like, something that you want to ask questions about, tonight will be that time where you guys can get a more in-depth response of what this art means from the artist and where the artist is trying to go with this art for sure. I mean, this art is pretty amazing if you ask me. Of course, I like it. Nothing bad to say about it. We're gonna come over here and check a couple of them out that I liked, as well as this one right here. This one's pretty nice because it's perceive, and like the first picture that I had in the beginning, perception, and being a lucid dreamer myself, you have wild dreams like this, and the name of the artist is Dreamz, so everything kind of goes right together. This is some of the art. Like I said, if you guys got questions about it, if you guys want to see some of this art, if you guys want to cop some of this art, definitely tonight will be that night that you ask questions about this art and what the artist was thinking when they made it. I have one more that I like. This one's called Chain Smoker, and what I noticed also that it comes with some music. I won't play it too long, not sure if out to whoever made that beat, and I'm looking forward to having them on the podcast tonight, and I'm looking forward to having you guys there as well. Make sure you guys tap in. If you guys can't, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.